Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haga katnyaw tarik mutaw banay leber arhajar arpo. Kakanhon Menteri Jongko Sorkar, Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, Kalasong Jelang Banekran, halor ki artli kimat ki bakongsan, ki badan kamno banyo jimunjur na kakanhon Menteri. Kawai ni kimat ki balay tay haka Jelang kadai halor ka Jingtyrwa, banwanra ya ka Pynkylla, haka Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. Bad halor ka ni ka Jingtyrwa, kakanhon Menteri haka ni kasngi kala munjur.
As you may recall, there was an ordinance that was approved by the Cabinet on the 28th of February 2020 regarding the increase in the net borrowing ceiling, the NBC, from the existing 3% of the GSDP to 4.1%. And as the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is currently going on, and in view of the current fiscal stress on the state, it was proposed that the amendment of the Mprbm 2006 should be regularized by a regular enactment. So the draft amendment bill was placed for the consideration of the Cabinet, and this has been approved by the Cabinet to be placed in this session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.